Hello, finance enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of money flow quadrant strategies, a fascinating concept that can completely change your perspective on money. Allow me to guide you through this journey that will lead you to learn how to make real money with financial wisdom. But before we dive into these strategies, I want you to ask yourself an important question. Are you ready to transform your relationship with money and learn how to make it work in your favor? Lesson 1. Understand the quadrants. In the book, Robert Kiyosaki introduces us to 4 fundamental quadrants: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. Each has its own financial dynamics. But in which of these quadrants do you currently find yourself? The quadrants represent different ways people earn money and how they relate to it. Each quadrant has its own financial advantages and challenges. Recognizing your current quadrant is the first step towards moving towards financial freedom. Have you reflected on which of these quadrants you're in today? And in which one you'd like to be in the future? Imagine you're standing at a crossroads, and each quadrant is a different path to financial independence. Take the time to reflect on your financial goals and which quadrant you'd like to move towards. Awareness is the first step in changing your financial situation. Lesson 2. The mindset of the quadrants. Each quadrant requires a specific mindset and skills. Are you willing to develop the right mindset for your quadrant? The mindset refers to your beliefs, attitudes, and mental focus regarding money. Changing quadrants involves not only changing jobs but also transforming your mindset and skills. Are you willing to learn and adapt to the mindset required for your desired quadrant? Visualize your mind as a tool you can shape for success in your chosen quadrant. Study, learn from experts, and develop the skills and mindset required for your quadrant. The right mindset is essential for financial success. Lesson 3. Escape the rat race. Many people are trapped in the rat race, as employees or self-employed. Are you willing to seek a way out? The rat race refers to the daily routine of work and debt that traps many people. Being stuck in the rat race can hinder wealth building and financial freedom. Have you wondered if you're trapped in the rat race? Are you willing to look for a way out toward a more promising financial future? Imagine that your financial life is like a maze, and you're searching for the way out to financial freedom. Reflect on your financial goals and look for opportunities to escape the rat race. Financial independence is possible. Lesson 4. Build assets instead of liabilities. The key to financial progress is focusing on creating assets. Are you building assets that work for you? Assets are goods or investments that generate income, while liabilities are expenses that consume your income. The difference between assets and liabilities is crucial for your financial success. Are you taking steps to build assets that generate passive income and increase your wealth? Visualize your assets as sources of constantly flowing water into your wealth. Evaluate your financial portfolio and seek opportunities to acquire assets that generate passive income. Building assets is the key to lasting wealth. Lesson 5. Invest in financial education. Financial education is essential for making informed decisions. Are you investing in your own financial knowledge? Financial education refers to acquiring knowledge and skills related to money and finances. Lack of financial education can lead to costly and ineffective decisions. Are you willing to learn about finance and make informed decisions rather than relying on guesswork? Visualize financial education as a beacon that lights your path to wealth. Read books, attend courses, and seek guidance from financial experts. Financial education empowers you on your journey to financial success. Lesson 6. Diversify your income sources. Relying on a single income source is risky. Are you diversifying your income sources? Diversifying means seeking opportunities to earn income from multiple sources. Diversification safeguards your financial stability and reduces risk. Are you exploring opportunities to diversify your income sources, such as investments, side businesses, or passive income? Visualize your income sources as a safety net that supports you financially. Explore options to diversify your income sources. Diversification is a smart strategy to ensure your financial security. Lesson 7. Learn to take calculated risks. The fear of risk can paralyze you. Are you willing to take smart risks on your quest for wealth? Taking calculated risks means carefully evaluating possibilities and opportunities before making bold decisions. Calculated risks can lead to significant financial opportunities and rewards. Are you willing to overcome the fear of risk and make bold yet calculated financial decisions? Visualize risk as a springboard that propels you towards financial growth. Learn to assess and take smart risks on your path to wealth. Don't let fear hold you back. I want to thank you for joining me on this journey through the Money Flow Quadrant strategies. Each of these lessons can make a difference in your financial life. I invite you to explore more valuable financial content on our channel. Click on the next video to continue enriching your financial knowledge. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video if it has inspired you. I'm here to help you achieve your financial goals and grow as an individual. Together, we can achieve it. Until next time.